Here's how you can find 90% of 1,000. And the way I think about it is percent means per 100. So 90 per 100. So if we just had 100 here, it would be 90. But we have 1,000. So we add another zero. Instead of 90, it's 900. 90% of 1,000 is 900. Another way you can do it is 90%. That's 90 per 100. And of, we can just do multiplication. Let's call this 1,000 over 1. Still 1,000, but things line up now. 90 times 1,000 is 90,000. And 100 times 1 is 100. When we divide, we get 900 over 1, which is 900. That's what we found before. One other way you could do this, you could divide 90 by 100, get 0.9, and then multiply that by 1,000. You'd end up with 900. This is Dr. B taking 90% of 1,000. The answer is 900. Thanks for watching.